Howdy y'all, it's Boogered, working on Big Block Blue. Was gonna do some checking of some codes yesterday and got in and there was no power to the actual OBD sensor. So if you look, cigarette lighter is connected. They're the same fuse as the OBD. And that will be this 15, and it's looking a little dirty here. And if you pull this bad boy out, see if I can get it to focus. Probably not. We got a blown fuse. And if you look right here, there's a spare 15 right in the top corner up here. We're gonna swap out. This is a 2002 Avalanche 2500. So that got our fuse swapped out. Now when we plug our OBD sensor in, we should get some power. And look at there. Yesterday we were not getting our green light, and now we are. So now I can hook the tablet up and check the codes on this thing. But if you're not getting power to your OBD sensor, check this fuse first. And if you don't have any fuses, there's spares up here, but you probably want to replace those if you got some around the shop. Anyhow, it's Boogered checking out.